Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome again to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make beautiful gown or maxi dress from old saris. So today I am going to make a beautiful gown, a maxi dress out of my old bordered sari. So I hope you will like this, and if you are watching this video for the first time, then please go and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon near subscribe button, because with that you will be notified whenever I will upload new videos. So yeah, let's get started with today's video.
So this is my sari. With this I'm going to make my dress. So I've got this border one side and another side this border. So this is the sari and this is the pallu side. With this I'm going to make the bodice of the dress. So I'll cut it from here, and with this I'm going to make the skirt part of the dress. So I will cut the pallu part. So this is the fabric for the lining. This is normal cotton fabric. Now I folded this in half first, and now I'm going to measure the bodice measurement first. So total length of the bodice will be 16. So I'm going to add 1 more inch to it. It makes 17. So I'll make 17-inch long line here. So this will be my length. This is double fold, and from here it is folded. From folded side I'm going to measure half of my shoulder measurement, that is 7. I'll add 1/2 inch to it, so it makes 7.5. And then I'm going to take the armhole measurement, that is 8. So I'll make 8 inch of line here. Now I'm taking 4 inch for the boat neck. You can take according to your choice, and then 2.5 inch for the depth. Now 1 inch down I'm going to give the shoulder slope. Now here I'm going to measure my bust measurement. So divide your bust measurement to 4 and then add 1 inch to it. Then here also same measurement, divide your waist measurement by 4 and then add 1 inch to it. Now from here, from the folded side, I'm going to take 4 inch for the dart, and then I'll take the highest point of my bust, and then I'm going to make a straight line here. I'll take 1 inch down from the highest point of my bust, that is 5, and then total 1.5 inch of dart. Here I'm going to mark, and now join these 2 points like this. So now I'm going to adjust this 1.5 here to the total measurement of my waist. So 1.5 measurement here, and then I'll join these 2 points with little bit of curve, not much. Now take 2 or 1.5 inch for the cutting, and again join these 2 points. Now from this corner take 1.5 of line and take half of this line, that is 4. From here take 1 centimeter line ahead, and then join these points with a gentle curve. So this will be my front armhole measurement. And now I'm going to cut this out. So my front side is ready. Now I'm going to cut my back side. So again take the fabric. Now place the front pattern and mark the measurement. Now take again 4 inch from the folded side and 5 inch long line for the darts, and then half of it to both the sides of the line and then make a dart here. Now make 7.5, the half of the shoulder measurement line, and 8-inch long line for the armhole measurement. Take 1.5 inch from here. Now mark the burst measurement similarly like the front one. Now 2 inch for the cutting. Now give this curve for the back armhole. Now take 4 inch for the boat neck and make the shoulder drop. Now mark your waist measurement. Now I'm going to adjust this 1 inch here. So I'll extend 1 inch from this point and then I'll join these 2 points with the straight line. Again 2 inch of gap for the cutting and then join both the points. Now for the back side, I'm giving 5 inch depth for the neckline and I'm making this round neck. So my measurement is done. Now I'm going to cut this out. Now I will fold this fabric like this and then I will mark the dart to the another side also. So give half inch of dart to both the sides of the line. So our pieces are ready. Now I'm going to place this on the main fabric, the pallu part of my sari, and now I'm going to cut this out like this, exactly like the lining part. So here both the bodice part is ready, the front side and the back side, and it's looking like this. Now we are going to give stitch to the neckline. So facing both the right sides together, I'm going to give stitch to the neckline and the armhole. And if you want, you can give stitch to the bottom part also. So back side also similarly, facing both the right sides together, just give your stitch to the neckline like this and to the sleeves part, the armhole part. So this is the sleeves. I'm giving stitch to the bottom side also, so you can skip this step. Now I have given this stitch to the neckline and to the armhole. Now I'm going to give small cuts here to the sleeves and to the neckline also. So after giving the cut, it's looking like this. Now I'm going to take inside part out like this, and from the right side it's looking like this. Now my neckline and armhole is ready and it's looking like this. Now I'm going to give top stitch here. So just give top stitch to the neckline and to the armhole. Now I'm going to give stitch to the darts. So my stitch is done. Both the pieces are ready, front side and the back side, and these are the darts and neckline. Now facing both the right sides together, I'm going to give stitch to the shoulder part. After joining it, it is looking like this. Now I'm going to make the skirt part. So I'm going to give pleats here. So just cut your sari in equal two parts. So one will be for the front side and one will be for the back side. So to give the pleats, what you have to do is first measure the waist measurement here of your bodice part. So mine is 22. So you have to make sure that your pleats comes exactly on 22 inch of the measurement. So here just leave around 3 inch of fabric first, and then start giving a pleats like this. Now here my pleats are done. Now I will measure. So it should be 22 inch. So mine is 22 inch. I have adjusted my pleats into 22 inch of the measurement only. And now just pin this. Once you are satisfied with the pleats, then pin this. Now we are going to give stitch here, and then I will attach my cotton lining to it. So you can give small little pleats here, very small, and then you can attach the lining part to the pleats part. So you have to attach your lining to the wrong side of your sari part. So first I'm going to give a stitch, a rough stitch to the pleats, so that it will be easy for me to manage with the fabric, because this is sari fabric. Now I'm going to attach my cotton lining to the wrong side of the sari. So after attaching it, it's looking like this, and from the right side it's looking like this. Now we are going to attach this to the bodice part. So take the right side of your bodice and right side of your skirt part, facing both the right sides together, attach it like this. Similarly, we will attach the back side also, and then we will give the fittings. So very carefully taking care of your pleats, just give the stitch to the waist part of the bodice like this. So it is attached, both the pieces, the skirt part and the bodice part. Now we are going to give the fittings. So this is the armhole. From here I am going to give my fittings. So first I'll start from the bust, and then I'll come down to the waist part, and then I'll go to the bottom part of the gown. So in the meantime I will take out the lining part, and I'll go only with the skirt part. So start from the bust line and then go to the waist part, and then around 2 to 3 inch down I will separate both the parts, like I'm giving stitch to the skirt part here, you can see, and after that now I'm giving stitch to the lining part. So once this is done, your gown is complete. I'm not giving the stitch to my hem, to the bottom part of my dress, because this is sari and I've got beautiful border there, so I don't need any stitch to the bottom part. So here you can see my beautiful lovely gown is ready, and it's looking so beautiful. Here you can see the pleats. This is the back side. So I hope you liked this video, and this video will be useful for you. And if you liked it, then please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.